I'm Chad Boudreau, and my company is Chadderbox Effects. It started, pretty sure it was in 2006. That's when I made my first guitar pedal, and I think I sold the second one I ever made. So now, 2020, relaunched after a few years of thinking about what I wanted it to be. The Loud Louder, which is my flagship pedal, I guess you could say. It's a MOSFET boost, where it used to be sort of two, but it was combined into one. Now it's two independent channels, and it's great. I worked for a few different companies doing like electronics, like manufacturing, and they just always had the Weller WES 51s, and it was just kind of what I just always used, and I think I've owned 4 of them throughout the years, and it's never failed me, and it's always been great, and that's why I still use them to this day. And I've gotten newer models, but like those original ones are still kicking, and that's what I actually use at my home bench. Find me at chadderboxeffects.com. Yeah, you can buy one of these.